Hello students, this is Dilip Kumar Jain, PGT Physics, cabin number 1, Udaipur. Today I am here with you students with one of the most interesting video in which I am going to solve numericals of chapter 1 of class 12 physics. This is very important video, so please watch till end and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. So let's begin. Numerical number 1. A charge Q is placed at the center of the line joining two equal positive charge Q. A charge Q is placed at the center of the line with joining two positive charge capital Q. The system of the three charges will be in equilibrium. Equilibrium is what? No charge will experience any kind of force. What should be the value of Q? So here what is given? Plus Q plus Q. Okay, two equal charge. Their center, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is what? 3. So here we put charge Q. But very important, this Q must be negative. So this charge apply a repulsive force and this charge will apply a attractive force. So two forces will be cancelled and system will remain in the condition of rest. Okay, because this distance is what? X. This distance is also X. This is what? 1, 3 and 2. So here what happened? This charge Q, which is what? Negative charge, will apply a force F13 in this direction, and this 2 is what? Positive charge. 1 is also positive charge, so this 2 will apply a force F12. If system is in equilibrium, means net force on plus Q charge at 1 must be 0. So what happened? We can say that F12 is equal to what? F13. So here what happened? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 capital Q upon 2x square equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 capital Q small q upon, now distance is what? Only x square. So from this what happened? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 pi 4 epsilon 0, q cancel. Here you see this 2x whole square. So what we have? Capital Q upon 4x square equal to what? Q upon x square. So small q equal to what? Capital Q into x square upon x square. X square is cancelled. Here is what? 4 also there. So capital Q equal to what? Q upon 4. But Q must be what? Negative. So required value of charge Q is what? Minus Q upon 4. Next, numericals number 2. 2-point charges plus 8q and minus 2q are located at x equal to 0 and x equal to capital L respectively. Find the location of a point on x-axis at which the net electric field due to these 2-point charges is 0. So here plus 8q charge, here is what? X equal to 0 Here is what? X equal to L. What is? Minus 2q charge. We extend this one and we just take a point P on which net electric field is 0. Due to this plus 8q charge, electric field EA. So this point is what? A, and this point is what? B. EA in this direction. Next one, the electric field due to this negative charge is in this direction. This is what? EB. So net electric field at point P equal to what? EA plus EB equal to 0. What is EA? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 at Q. Now suppose this distance is what? X from point P, or simply we say that distance D. Okay, so this distance is what? D square plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 minus 2q upon this distance is what? D minus L. This distance is what? D minus L square equal to 0. Here we consider my negative sign. A direction of EA and EB are just opposite to each other. Now what happened? We just solve this one. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q are common. So we just take 2q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 4 upon d square minus 1 upon d minus L square equal to 0. So 4 upon d square minus 1 upon d minus L square equal to 0. So 4 upon d square equal to 1 upon d minus L square. By taking square roots, 2 upon d equal to 1 upon d minus L. From this what we get? 2 into d minus L equal to L. So 2d. 2d, okay. 2d minus 2L equal to what? D, or 2d minus d equal to L. We just transposing
2L.
So what we get? D equal to 2L. Hence position of required point is at 2L distance from charge plus 8q. Next, numerical number 3. A charge of magnitude 3e and mass 2m is moving in an electric field E. What is the acceleration imparted to the charge? So charge is what? 3e and mass is what? 2m. By the definition of force. What is definition? F equal to ma. Here is what? F equal to m. M is what? 2m into a. Equation number 1. By the definition of electric field, F equal to what? QE. So here is what? F equal to, what is Q? Q equal to what? 3E. Electric field is what? E. This is what? 2. So from 1 and 2, both are forces. So we can write 2ma equal to 3e e. So what is acceleration? A equal to 3e e upon 2m. This is the acceleration imparted to the charge. Next, numerical number 4. Two parallel large thin metal sheets have equal surface charge density of 2.56 into 10 to the power minus 11 coulomb per meter square of opposite sign. Find the electric field between these sheets. Here what is given? We have two sheets on which different charges. Here is what? Surface charge density is plus sigma. Here is what? Minus sigma. We have to find total electric field at this point between the two sheets. So due to this sheet is 1, this is what? 2. So here what happens? This unit charge will experience a force E1 due to the repulsion, but at the same moment this charge will experience a attractive force towards 2. So this E2 is also into the same direction. We know that electric field due to plane sheet is what? E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So net electric field between two plates is what? E equal to E1 plus E2. Both are in the same direction, so E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. What we get? E equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Now what is given here? Sigma is given, so E equal to, value of sigma is 2.56 into 10 to the power minus 11 upon epsilon naught, permittivity of free space, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. If we solve this one, E equal to 25.6 upon 8.85. Here we can see that 10 to the power minus 11 and 10 to the power 12. So it will cancel 10 to the power 1, which is multiplied to here. So we directly write 25.6 upon 8.85. E equal to 25.6 upon 8.85, which comes E equal to 2.89 Newton per Coulomb. Next, numerical number 5. 2 point charges placed at a distance r in air exert a force F on each other. At what distance will these charges experience the same force F in a medium of dielectric constant K? So case 1. In case 1, the two charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by distance r and medium is what? Epsilon naught. So what is force? F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon r square. This is number 1. Now after case 1, in case 2, next what happen? We have to keep these two charges Q1 and Q2. Now we put a dielectric medium between these two charges Q1 and Q2. Now distance is what? R dash. Now in this condition, force is what? F dash equal to 1 upon 4 pi. Now K epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon r dash square. This is what? Number 2. What is given in the question? The same force F in the medium of dielectric constant K. So from 1 and 2, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k q1 q2 upon r dash square. Clearly 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, q1 q2, q1 q2. So what we get here? Epsilon naught also cancel. So here we get 1 upon r square equal to 1 upon k r dash square. So r dash square equal to what? R square upon k. This implies r dash equal to what? R upon root k. This is the required distance.